What to look out for regular window maintenance. The first thing is have a look at the windows and see if there's any mold around the windows, any water stains on the drywall, on the trim around the windows. Examine around the outside of the windows to see if there's any holes that have formed over time with the sealants on the outside. You're dealing with bricks, siding, wood, vinyl, aluminum. So all these materials expand and contract at different ratios. Therefore, this causes a separation in the caulking. And then if there's holes in there, then water can infiltrate into the main part of the building. A good idea once in a while is to open and close the windows completely. Push the cranks to their limit, lift and lower windows that go up and down, slide the ones sideways, clean the tracks out at the bottom on the sides. Keep them clean, to take care of the windows. So people take care of their vehicles. If there's a little squeak or something, they'll use some oil in that. In a window, it's the same thing. The mechanisms have to be lubricated once in a while and with silicone spray. Maybe some cranks have to be changed before they break on you when you don't want them to break on you. So once in a while, you do have to change parts on windows. For more information, give us a call or check out our website.